Okay, coin questions, and then with ratio, and then the value of the coin. These are the questions that kills a lot of students, so take note. So they told us that Tammy collected a total of 1792 coins in dollars, and then the ratio of coins to dollars was 5:9. Simple. So they're asking for how many coins were there. This is the simplest one. How many coins were there? Just use the ratio. So since this one is the coin, this one is the dollars, so just take 5 over 5 plus 9 multiplied by 1792. And then this will just do a basic calculation, and this one will give you 640 points. Okay, so this one will be under ratio. Now they're talking about for out of the 640 coins, the ratio of the 20-cent coin to the 50-cent coin to the $1 coin was 5:3:2, and then they ask you what's the total value. So you need to find out the total number of 20-cent coin, 50-cent coin, and $1 coin, and then find out the value of all the 20-cent coin, all the 50-cent coin, and all the $1 coin, and then add them up together. So now I'm going to find the number of 20-cent coin. So 20-cent coin, right? This will be, since the ratio for 20 cent is 5 out of 5 plus 3 plus 2, so it's 5 over 5 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, multiply by the total number of coin, which is 640, and then just do a basic calculation, and then there will be 320 coins. Now let's do the same for the 50-cent coin. For the 50-cent coin, the number of 50-cent coin will be, since the ratio is 3, so it's 3 out of 5 plus 3 plus 2, multiplied by the same number of coin, and then it will give you 192 50-cent coin. How about the $1 coin? So the $1 coin is the same thing, since the ratio is 2 out of everything, so it's 2 over 5 plus 3 plus 2 as per usual, multiplied by 640, and then just do a basic calculation, and then it will give you 120 $1 coins. Then we have to find the value of the 20-cent coin, right? So the value of the 20-cent coin will be 320 multiplied by 0.2, all this will be part of the decimals, plus your 50-cent coin, which is 192 multiplied by 0.5, which is your 50 cent, then plus your 128 multiplied by $1, okay, which is basically just 1. Okay, now this will actually give us 320 times 0.2. Just do a basic calculation, you get 64. 192 times 0.5, you're going to get 96, and then 128 plus 128 times $1 will just give you $128. So add all this value of the coins up all together, and then you're going to get 288. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. So be careful, this question is a little bit long, it's a little bit tedious, but it's not that difficult. Alright, done.